This is Charity and welcome to my channel. Want to improve your organic reach on YouTube? Do you want to know the methods on how to play nice with algorithm? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. But before we begin, I would like to ask you to please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below followed by the notification bells. Select all for more updates. So mayroon lang akong isi-share sa inyo na 4 na YouTube terminologies na napaka-importante sa atin bilang aspiring vlogger. So number 1, algorithm. So pag sinabi nating algorithm, it is basically a real-time feedback loop that tailors videos to its viewers' different interests. It decides which videos will get suggested to individual users. So, merong dalawang goals ang algorithm. Number 1 is to find the right video for its viewer. And number 2, get viewers to keep watching. So, how does the YouTube algorithm work? So, it is a guide to getting more views. The YouTube algorithm decides what people watch on YouTube 70% of their time. So, according to 81% of American YouTube users said that regularly watch videos recommended by the algorithm. So next is niche. Niche is a focus. It is a targeted. It is a specific, and it is known to you. For example, Dunekla in Tandem. Kilala sila sa kanilang talento sa pagpapatawa. So yun yung nila, yung niche nila, yung pagiging magaling nilang komedyante. Next is keywords. Keywords are ideas and topics that define what your content is about. For example, sa paggawa mo ng title, maglalagay ka doon ng keyword. Halimbawa, ang content mo is about tutorial about learning Ilocano. So, yun, learning Ilocano, tapos maglalagay ka doon ng language. Ganun. Next is tags. Add a word or phrase that to identify it as a belonging to a particular category concerning a particular person or a topic. Example natin halimbawa, Rafi Tulfo, hashtag Rafi Tulfo yung nangyari kay Michelle at Donecla. So, pwede mong ilagay doon sa hashtags mo, sa taas ng ng title mo, hashtag Donecla, hashtag Rafi Tulfo in action. Ganon. Na halimbawa yung content mo is about people na kasangkot doon, pwede mo silang ilagay sa hashtags mo. Para pag nag-search yung mga tao, maaaring mag-appear yun kaagad doon sa search results. Let's proceed to the 7 tips to improve your organic reach on YouTube. So, ito ay methods for playing nice with algorithm. So, let's go for number 1. Number 1 is optimize your video description text. Make sure you front load the first sentence with a clear keyword focused description of your video. For example, your topic is about Ilocano language, so you can just put learn Ilocano words and phrases, ganyan. Clear, sabi ko. So use natural language, not keyword salad. Focus on 1 or 2 keywords and repeat them in both your description and title. So pag gumawa ka ng titles, ibigay mo yung precise, yung exact na nag-describe kung anong nilalaman ng content mo. Ganun din ang gawin mo sa description mo sa baba. So once again, optimize your video description text. Let's proceed to number 2. If something works, rinse and repeat. So sabi dito, rinse and repeat. It requires paying attention to what your audience wants. That means paying attention to your analytics, but also your gut. The YouTube algorithm wants to give people more of what they'd like in the past. So experiment skillfully. Take feedback from your audience. Give everyone time to adjust. Example, key source is DIY. So kung nag-click yung video mo sa unang ginawa mong DIY, so repeat it. Gumawa ka ng panibagong DIY on how to, example, how to bake a pancake, ganyan. Tapos lagyan mo siya ng twist ng sarili mong version. Again, if something works, rinse and repeat. So let's proceed to number 3, which is publish often. Quantity of videos and frequency of upload is an important factor in the algorithm. And YouTube's home screen especially eats that personalized list of new interesting videos that's kind of like Instagram Explore page. If you can increase quantity without losing quality, go for it. The more videos you publish, the better chance you'll have a hitting the right nerve. Maybe you can turn that one big hit into a series, or could introduce a new low effort weekly feature that fits into your brand's established needs, like Tuesday reaction video, or a Wednesday study with me session, or a Thursday Twitch stream. Again, publish often. So let's proceed to number 4, which is make your videos public when your audience is watching. So recency is an important factor for every social media algorithm. We can name YouTube notifications, feature pings your subscribers when you upload a video. And definitely most effective if that happens when they're looking for something new to watch. It's recommended that you take a look at your YouTube analytics to pick the optimal time of the day or week to drop your newest masterpiece. Scheduling your YouTube videos ahead of time. Gaya ng mga ginagawa ng mga live streamers. So, ini-schedule nila kung anong oras, kung anong araw. Para, halimbawa, ang target audience mo is from Philippines. So, itatapat mo ngayon sa mga oras na alam mong nanonood sila, nag-spend sila ng time sa YouTube. Let's proceed to number 5, which is keep viewers engaged throughout the whole video. Meaning, another key performance metric from the algorithm is view duration. You might see advice advocate for making your videos shorter or longer, but really, just make them as interesting and fun to watch as possibly as you can. Once you've charmed people to watch through the end, you can then go ahead and use end cards or playlists. Yung tipong kaabang-abang ba? Exciting yung mapapanood nila sa video mo na yung tipong ano pa kaya yung mga susunod na gagawin niya, yung mga isi-share niya, yung mga ganyan. Number 6 is engage with your community. This one is very important. So, engage with your community means replying to your comments, talk to your people. Just remember that algorithm knows if you're having a meaningful conversation or just paying lip service to bump on your vanity metrics. And if you're in the position of having too many people to respond to, you can always do an appreciation video. For example, napakarami mga comments at hindi mo na sila maisa-isa. So, pwede kang gumawa ng appreciation video to thank your viewers for supporting your channel. Let's proceed to number 7. Number 7 is turn viewers into subscribers. So according to YouTube, your channel subscribers provide a bunch of important initial signals that help dictate the success of your videos. In other words, these fans are the testing ground. If they love it, the algorithm is most likely to show the video to new eyeballs. Isasuggest niya yung video mo, pag maraming nanood, nag-likes, isasuggest niya sa mga target or possible audience. So, in addition to this, when it matches a video to a potential viewer, the algorithm looks at personalization. Which channels and topics have they watched in the past? What have they engaged with in the past? How much time do they spend watching? How many times has this video already been surfaced for this person? What don't they watch? Thank you so much, and I hope this video is helpful for you. So once again, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below, followed by the notification bell. Select all for more updates. Thank you so much, and God bless. See you on my next video.